A prism, problem this one. A prism of certain material produces an angle. Yeah, prism. See, they given there is a prism of certain material. Certain, when I say certain material means for refractive index you have to find out. Okay, or sometimes they may give a refractive whose refractive index is given. Simply they'll give, say you put some refractive index 1.532, they given of material of refractive index, and it produces a deviation. It produces a deviation. The deviation is equal to angle of the prism. This prism, no, right? Angle of this prism produces a deviation. This deviation and angle of the prisms are same. And this is a monochromatic light, right? Therefore, a prism of certain materials, okay, produces a angle of deviation for a monochromatic light. That deviation is equal to angle of the prism. Suppose they give the refractive index of the medium 1.53. Calculate that. What is this angle? What is the angle? Right? Here, what is this? D is equal to A, no? Certain deviation, right? They are not certain deviation. The prism of certain material produces angle of minimum deviation. They give an angle of minimum deviation, not deviation, any deviation. Here, minimum angle of minimum deviation is equal to angle of the prism. If, right? Calculate angle of the prism, they ask. This is easy. What is the angle of incident? A plus D by 2. A is also D, therefore D plus D by 2. That is 2D by 2. That is equal to D. Angle of incident is equal to deviation itself. Right? Angle of deviation. That is I. Then what is, you got it. Then again, what is angle of refraction? Angle of refraction is equal to A by 2, correct? See, these and all they'll ask you in the NEET. NEET exams as well as this is for 5 mark question also. A is what? A equal to D, no? D by 2. Right? Therefore, refractive index is equal to what I write? Sin A plus D by 2 sin A by 2. In the examination, sometimes suddenly this idea will not come for us. It won't come for us. You may start like this. Such case, how to do? Suppose for your mind it is appearing like this. N is equal to sin A also D. D by 2 sin D by 2. This is sin 2D by 2 sin D by 2. D get cancelled. So N is equal to sin D by sin D by 2. See, in mathematics you have a formula. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. If simply write sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. I am applying here for this. In such case, write N is equal to 2 sin D by 2 cos D by 2. Here what? Sin D by 2. This one will cancel. N is equal to 2 cos D by 2. Understood? What is refractive index is given 1.532, right? 1.532 is equal to 2 cos D by 2 or cos D by 2 is equal to 1.532 by 2. Then use a calculator. You know that the calculator, if you use it, you got 0.7, direct value 765. Therefore, cos D by 2 is equal to 0.756. Therefore, D by 2 is what? Cos inverse 0.765. Then how to do this? Again, take back this one. Look, now and it will not properly work. All possible tricks. See now, cos inverse, no? For cos inverse, you write shift. I did shift, right? Cos I am taking, cos inverse, it got it. Inside what you write? 0.765. 0.765. How much? 40 degrees, is it not? 40.09. Therefore, d by 2 is nearly equal to 40.09 degree, correct? Or d is equal to 2 times 40.09 degree. That means multiply by 2. You get it what? 0.40.09 into 2. Therefore, d is equal to 80.18 degree. Understood? But d is equal to a, no? A is equal to d is equal to same thing. Therefore, angle of the prism is equal to 80.18 degree. How is this? Therefore, they may ask you for to simply write the formula, you will get 1 mark. Then you know how to calculate this and all. For this, mathematics knowledge is required. This is 1 mark. And this calculation fully. See, if I is equal to d, see here you are writing not d equal to, this is 1 mark. Identification. This is 2 mark. Totally 5 mark, you can write it. Okay. Now I gave one particular sum, right? There is a prism, right? A is the angle of the prism. B is its base, correct? A ray of light incident on the one surface. It is one surface. A ray of light incident on one face of the equilateral prism. When I say equilateral prism, 60 degree angle is what? 60 degree. And a ray of light incident on one face of an equilateral prism made up of glass, right? Got it? See, I don't know how this is. It is not normally I have written here. Okay, just I am making like this. A ray of light incident like this. This is okay. I'll write it again. This is a prism. Angle of the prism is what? 60 degree. This is base. The angle of see, a ray of light incident PQ. Okay, at one face of an equilateral triangle, this is I1, this is original direction, this is R1, okay, face of equilateral prism, and made of glass. This is what refractive index is given. Refractive index is what? 1.54, say example, and undergoing grazing angle. This is called what? Grazing angle. Understood? No? See, if you don't write arrow, problem. See, arrows are very, very important. This is called grazing angle. Grazing emergence. This is called what? Grazing emergence. On the other face. This is also grazing. See, this is for NEET exams. Is very, very important, as well as your problem. Physics problems also it is important. Grazing emergence. Calculate the total deviation. This is what? Total deviation. What is the total deviation? Total deviation is equal to I1 plus I2 minus A. Total deviation. Therefore, total deviation is equal to I1 plus I2 minus A is what? 60 degree. This is the first equation, I got it. Now it is grazing, no? See, at this point, draw a normal. What did I tell already? This is what? I2. This is R2, correct? When it is grazing, give that one. See here. You know, see, this is critical angle. This is angle of incidence in the denser medium critical angle. This is 90 degree, right? What is that? You know that condition for critical angle. If angle of incidence is equal to what? critical angle, angle of refraction is equal to 90 degree, right? Therefore, n is equal to 1 by sin c. Do you remember? This is a condition for total. If it is I is greater than critical angle, total internal reflection takes place. You know this. That again I'll do it off. Here what happens? Here this is what critical angle. This is critical angle. This should be 90 degree. Understood? Since it is grazing, this is I2 is 90 degree. R2 should be critical angle. But you know, angle of the prism is what? Angle of the prism is equal to R1 plus R2. Since grazing, no? Since the ray grazing other side. Therefore what? R2 should be critical angle of the glass, critical angle of the glass, R2. Therefore, R2. Then I2 should be what? 90 degree. Now what you write? I2 you substitute here. Understood? 90 degree. R2 you substitute here. What happened? Total deviation becomes what? Total deviation is I1 plus 90 degree minus 60 degree. Our total deviation is equal to what? I1 plus 30 degree, correct? This total deviation. Now what happens to this one? A is equal to R1, R2 you don't know, plus C, this is right. Now how to calculate C? Again, this is 1, now this is 2. Now refractive index is equal to 1 by sin C, correct? What is refractive index? 1.54. 1.54 is equal to 1 by sin C. Therefore what? Sin C is equal to 1 by 1.54. Right? Again calculator. I'm not convenient with this calculator. This is 1 divided by 1.54. How much it comes? 0. Sin C is equal to 0.649. Understood? Therefore, C is equal to sin inverse 0.649. Understood? Here I get that. That's a way to do it. Here C is equal to sin inverse 0.649. Then how to, I'm shifting it. Sin inverse, no? I'll write shift. If a shift means shift should appear here. Sin, see sin inverse. In the inverse 0.649. 0.649. How much? 40 degree, 40 degree. See, this is what? C is equal to 40.466 degree, right? R6 is 40.5 degree. C is equal to. Understood? Then, what is next here? A equal to what? R2 plus C, is it not? A is what? 60 degree, is it not? R2 plus C is what? 40.5. The R2 is equal to what? 60 minus 40.5. See, 60 minus 40.5. 19. Sometimes simple also you have to use calculator only. You will be habituated for this degree. R2. Right, R2. Now what we are supposed to find? What they are asking? They are asking deviation, is it not? Again what? See, deviation, but you know what? N is equal to what? Sin I1, sin R1, correct? For the surface. N is equal to sin I1. N is what? What is refractive index? 1.54. Sin I1 you don't know. Sin R, this is R2, no? R1 plus R2. But what I did is what? R2 is critical angle. R1 is this one. Here I did a mistake. R1 is it. Got it? Understood now? R1. R1 is what? Sin 19.5. Therefore, sin I1 equal to what? 1.54 into sin 19.5. You see this one. Again sin 19.5. All sin 19.5. Okay. How much? 0.33. 1.54 into 0.333. Correct? 1.33 into cancel 1.54. You cancel and do it, otherwise something and all will get 1.54 into 1.54 into 0.333. How much? 0.512. Okay, sin I1. Therefore, what is I1? I1 is equal to sin inverse 0.512. Right? Cancel. Shift, I'll do it. Shift it is come here. Sin inverse 0.5. Sin 30 is off now, around 30 degree will get 0.512. Around 30 degree, sin 30 is off. Therefore, I1 is equal to 30.79 degree. Now the question is what? What was the question? What is the angle of incident? See, found out. These are most tough sum. If you know to do this, you'll be doing a lot of how many concepts you are learning, that is important. See, I'm not getting this one. What is the red ring? Red pen I have put somewhere here. See here, first you will be knowing all these concepts. For the NEET is very, very important. And here again what? Condition for total internal reflection. This is called condition for total reflection. What is condition for total internal reflection? Angle of incident is greater than critical angle. This is the minimum condition. N is equal to. Then you know all these things, right? Okay. Therefore, this is the most toughest sum, but you can easily do it. How they are going to allot the mark? This is 1 mark. Unless you have the diagram. Since grazing, this is if you are writing, no? This is 1 mark. Right? Then calculation of refractive index. See, this is 1 mark. It's the real worth of 5 mark actually. Then again, then here, this total 2 mark. This is 1 mark. This is 1 mark. If the problem is, exam is very tough, you can slowly sit and do it upon, right? Okay.